Hello everyone, my name is Satyalango and I am from class TDT S4. My metric card number is 01DDT20F1093. So today I am given a task on audit poll. So without any delay, let's get into our video. So this is the activity I was given. Audit Poll is a tool included in the Windows Anti-Resource Kit for system administrators. This tool can disable or enable auditing from the Windows command line. It also can be used to determine the level of logging implemented by system administrator. Intruders can easily wipe out the security logs in the Windows Event Viewer. An event log that contains one or just a few events is suspicious because it usually indicates that other events have been cleared. It's still necessary to clear the event log after disabling auditing because using the Audit Poll tool places an entry in the event log indicating that auditing has been disabled. Several tools exist to clear the event log, or a hacker can do so manually in the Windows Event Viewer. So what is the task is demonstrate how to clearing track using Audit Poll. So I'm going to teach you all how to viewing, enabling and clearing Audit Poll using command prompt. You can do this task in your original Windows command prompt. If it doesn't work, you can do this with the VirtualBox Windows Server 2016 command prompt. Now I'm going to try in the VirtualBox Windows Server command prompt. However, the steps are the same. Let's start now. Firstly, you need to open the VirtualBox and then click Start in the Windows Server. Firstly, open Command Prompt in your device. Now to view audit policies which have been applied currently on the system, you need to enter this command, which is audit poll /cat /category and press enter. So these are the audit policies that have been applied currently on your system. Let's get into the next now. For the practice, we need to enable audit policy that have been listed in the system category. So to enable this, you need to type this command in the command prompt, which is like audit poll set category system account log on /success enabled /failure enabled and enter. Now we have been already enabled the system policy. To view how our command affect audit policy, you need to enter audit poll set /category and press enter. Now you can see all the audit policy in system and account logon category success and failure. Now to clear audit policy, you need to enter audit poll clear /void and press enter. To view how our command affect audit policy, you need to enter audit poll set category, press enter. So that's all. After applying these steps, you are capable to view, enable and clear audit policy in your system. I hope this video is worth for watching and thank you all.